Topic Basic problems of an economics. Objective to study the basic problems of any economics program's outcome. After completion of these sessions, students will understanding the how resources are allocated between completing users. Allocations of resources. This is about how resources are allocated between competing users. Any individual, organizations, or nations has to make three fundamental types of choice about how to allocate these resources available to it. The following points highly the five basic problems of any economics. The problems are: 1. What to produce and in what qualities, how to produce these goods. Third, how whom is these goods produced. Fourth, how efficiently are the resources being utilized. Fifth, is the economics growing. First one, what produce and in what qualities. The first central problem of any economics is decided what goods and services are to be produced and in what qualities. This involves allocations of scarce resources in relation to the completions of total output in the economic. Since resources are scarce, the society has to decide about the goods to be produced. What cloth, roads, televisions, powers, buildings, and so on, etc. Second one, how to produce these goods. The next basic problem as an economics is to decide about the techniques or methods to be used in order to produce the required goods. The problem is primarily depends upon the available of resources within the economy. Third one, for whom is the goods produced? The third basic problems to be decided in the allocations of goods among the member of the society. The allocations of basic consumer goods are necessity and luxury comforts and among the householders take place on this basic of among the distributions of national income. Fourth one, how efficiently are the resources being utilized? This is one of the important basic problems of on economics. Basic having made the three earlier desires. The society have to see whether the resources it owns are being utilized fully or not. In case the resources of the economics are laying idea, it has to find out way the means to utilize them full. Problem fifth, is the economics growing? The last and the most important problem is not find out whether the economics is growing through time or is it strength. Economics growing takes place through a higher rate of capital formations which consider of the repricing existing capital goods with now and more productivity once by adopting more efficient producing techniques or through innovations. Resource Dr. L. H. Ahuja, Modern Economics, Krishnaya Gowda, Economics Theory.